Topic is letter, means how to write letter. Letter is actually divided in two parts, formal and informal. First I am telling what is basic difference between formal letter and informal letter. Formal what is? Formal means actually what we are that we never show to others, and informal what we are that we show to others. Suppose that in house we are in Bermuda, we are in casual type of dresses, so it is kind of that we are in informal. And when we go to school, when we go to market or well reputed place, when we are attending, we are going there, then many formalities we show, like pant, shirt, tie and whatever. We suppose that we are going to school, then fully well dressed we present ourselves. That is formal. Formal means what we are not and we are expressing ourselves, that is formal thing. And informal, what we are that we are presenting to in front of others, that is informal things. I am sure you must have understood what is informal and what is formal. Formal, so I am telling, formal letters actually are business letter, application also can be, and to any a well reputed person we can write, like a principal, like manager, like teacher, doctor, and well reputed person. The letters are written to many well reputed persons. Those letters are formal letters. In formal letter we are compelled, we are bounded to write only formalities, to write only formal words. And informal letters we are free to write any word, anything, whatever we want. Suppose that we are writing to our friend and mother, father, then we can express what is hidden in what is hidden in our soul, in mind. We can express. Suppose that to our friend we are writing, how are you, for a long time I have not met you, but we cannot say, what we cannot write to any principal, how are you, for a long time we have not met with each other. Can we write, can we express? Never. So this is the basic thing. In formal letters only some selected words, some formalities we are showing, and we are bounded to write good words, we can say, and formal words, nice words we can write. But in formal letters we can express many ideas, many different topics, many good feelings, and many other things also we can express. That is informal letter. So now I am going to tell you today informal letter I am going to tell you, and after that means some what I am going to write you have to pay attention, means to whom we are writing, then after greetings which kind of should be shown, and which type of subscription should be shown, that I am going to write. You have to pay attention how I am going to write. Now the chart actually I have made for writing informal letters. First we have to see to whom the letter is written. First we have to means to whom the letter actually it is written. Father, mother, then salutation. Salutation means what greetings you are actually important. Greetings means suppose that we are writing to our father, then we can write dear father, dear mother also, my dear dad, my dear mom also we can write. Means these are salutation words which are written in front of, means above the letter, in starting of the letter we are writing. Actually I will write format I am telling. After that, first you have to pay attention in starting in salutation. How will you write that? Dear father, dear mother, or dear dad, my dear dad, my dear mother, my dear mom also we can write here. Then subscription is ending, or actually its meaning is signature. We can understand signature also, or ending, how we are finishing the letter. How means at last which type of words are important, that actually I have written here. So when you will write it, when you are writing to your father, your mother, then your affectionately also you can write, your affectionate also you can write, your loving son, your loving daughter, and your affectionate son or your affectionate daughter also you can write. Again I am telling, means suppose that you are writing father or mother, then means my dear mom, my dear dad also you can write, and dear pa also you can write, dear papa you can write, dear father, my dear father also you can write as a salutation, means as a greetings you can write. Brother and sister, when you suppose that brother and sister you are writing, then suppose that you are writing to your elder brother or your elder sister, then how you write? You cannot write their name. So my dear means dear brother, dear sister, if you are writing to your elder brother or elder sister, then only dear brother or dear sister you will write. But suppose that you are writing to your younger brother or younger sister, then you can mention their name also, like dear Amit, dear Amita. And subtraction also, how will you write? Means your loving son, your loving brother, your loving sister also you can write, your lovingly also, yours lovingly. And one thing more you have to pay attention here, no apostrophe in yours, never apostrophe is applied. Means your loving brother, your loving sister also you can write, yours affectionate also you can write, your lovingly also we can write. One thing more, here many words, many similarities you can see, but here there is some difference, basic difference you can see when you are writing. So and suppose that you are writing to your miss, when you are writing to your younger brother or younger sister, then subscription how it will be written, means downside what you will write, ending how you are finishing, means your elder brother also you can write, your elder sister, and signature means subscription also you will finish the letter. Here again, we suppose that you are writing uncle and your aunt you are writing, so you can write here dear uncle, dear aunt. There is no naming, means dear uncle or dear aunt. And same type of means here you will write your affectionate nephew or niece you can write. Your means your affectionate, your loving nephew also if you want you can write, your loving niece also, or your affectionate, like this you can write. Your affectionately also means there are many similarities I am telling, you can mention here. And suppose that you are writing your grandparents, so you can write means then you can write dear grandpa or dear grandma you can write as a salutation. And here means your grandson or your granddaughter you can write. A close friend and acquaintance, you are suppose that acquaintance means any familiar, you are writing to anybody with whom you are very familiar, then acquaintance, how you are writing, suppose that, then you will mention dear Mr. Atul, dear Mr. Sharma, dear Mr. Misra, like this you can mention also, dear name also you can mention here. And to lady, then dear Miss or Mrs. name also you will can. And after that you will miss how you are ending letter, you sincerely, your friend. Here no similarities which I have noted above you can see. Your sincerely it will be written, your friend, sincerely yours also you can write, and yours truly also it can be written sometimes. Yours truly, sincerely yours, yours sincerely, your friend. These type of ending you will finish when you are writing to any friend or any acquaintance you are writing. Suppose that you are writing to any familiar figure, then this type of salutation it will be, and subscription how it will be. Now actually I have written how will you write means a salutation. I am telling where it is written, and I am telling where subscription is written in my letter. I am telling. Now just see. Now in front of you there is a package of some words. You can see when you are writing informal letter, these words you can stick in any letter. Means if you are very unable to write any type of any letter, means you have lack of some words, you are unable to write a letter. So these words will make half letter, and after that 2-3 lines you can steal from the letter actually what it says, and then your letter will be completed. So these two package are some words you can see. Now I am quite well here and hope same for you. I received your letter, or I got your letter yesterday, reading it and became very happy. Now I am writing a letter for you. Means how you are starting, means salutation, dear mother, dear father, dear whatever you are suppose that. मीन्स इन हिंदी भी राइट, मैं यहाँ खुश हूँ और आपकी खुशी मैं भगवान शंकर से लाइक दिस, इन इंग्लिश लाइक दिस मीन्स मैं यहाँ बहुत ही खुश, आई एम क्वाइट वेल यार, मैं बहुत यहाँ ठीक हूँ और अपनी ही तरह आपकी आशा करता हूँ। मैंने आपका पत्र कल मुझे मिला, इसे पढ़कर मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, मैं अब आपके लिए पत्र लिख रहा हूँ। मीन्स दीज आर सिंपल टाइप ऑफ आइडियाज वर्ड्स एक्चुअली वी हैव रिटन हियर, and in any letter, in any informal letter we can write. Downside is some different type. You cannot stick everywhere, but to whom you are thinking, suppose that you to your friend you can write, and to grandfather and like this. If you think that it can be suitable for that, then you can write. It's summertime. I have written this. How I have written here, you can throw your light on that, then ideas, the ideas which should be created in your heart, that thing is there. It's summertime, flowers are moving to and fro. Means summer time it is, summer गर्मी का मौसम है, फ्लावर्स जो है इधर उधर हिल रहे हैं, and they scatter their fragrance, मीन्स वे अपनी सुगंध फैलाते हैं। बर्ड्स आर चर्पिंग, चिड़िया चहचहा रही हैं, एंड देयर चर्पिंग प्रोड्यूस मेलोडियस साउंड, और उनकी जो चहचहाहट है वो एक प्रकार का साउंड क्रिएट करती है। बीज आर मेकिंग हनी, बीज जो हैं, जो मधुमक्खी हैं, वे हनी मतलब मेकिंग हनी बना रही हैं, एंड इट्स मीनिंग द नेचर इज इन हर फुल ब्यूटी, और इसका पूरा मतलब है कि जो प्रकृति है वो अपने सौंदर्य में भरपूर है। सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड राइटिंग लेटर टू यू, और इसलिए मेरा मन करता है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे मौसम में आपको लेटर लिखा जाए। दैट्स मीन्स दीज टू पैकेज ऑफ वर्ड्स यू कैन स्टिक in any informal letter. Means I have prepared half letter, so I think that half letter I have written half letter, 2-3 more lines you can write. I think 120 word should be 120 word or 100 word, not less than 100 word you have to prepare, and in this way you can prepare. After that, when you have learned how to write a letter, how to create your own ideas, your own verdicts, your own thoughts, then you will be master writing a letter. This is the way. Now in second video I will tell you how to write in different way. So this is after that in second video I will tell you informal letter, actually 1 or 2 letter I will write. I will tell you how to write. Till then.